Hello, beautiful. Today, we're exploring the magic of daily makeup. Not to change you, but to celebrate your natural beauty. Imagine a world of soft, colorful clay, where little figures add a touch of color to feel fresh and confident. That's the spirit of our routine. A simple ritual to make you feel good, polished, and ready for the day. Think of your morning routine as a happy, quiet moment just for you. This isn't a mask. It's a way to enhance the features you already love. Picture a clay figure patting on rosy color, smiling at their reflection, ready for anything. We're inspired by this playful, gentle world, using easy steps anyone can follow. You don't need to be a makeup artist. The goal is a fresh, clean, authentic look. We'll choose the right products and apply them naturally, letting your skin breathe and your confidence shine. Forget complicated rules, embrace simplicity and joy. Imagine yourself as the artist, your face the canvas. We'll add a touch of color, a hint of light, and a whole lot of confidence. This look is perfect for work, friends, or a quiet day at home. Let's unlock the secret to looking fresh and beautiful, effortlessly, every day. Your daily makeup is your personal magic. It's about starting your day with intention and a feeling of freshness. Let's begin this delightful adventure together. You are the main character in your own story. Let's make every day a fresh start. Before color, we prep our canvas, your skin. Healthy, happy skin is the foundation of any look. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. This wakes up your skin and gives you a fresh slate. Next, moisturizer. Think of it as a drink of water for your skin, keeping it soft and radiant. Even oily skin needs hydration. It helps your makeup look natural and last longer. Gently massage moisturizer over your face and neck for a healthy glow. Once absorbed, add a primer, a magical base coat for smooth, long-lasting makeup. Primer minimizes pores and fine lines, creating the perfect canvas. These few minutes of prep make a huge difference. It's not just about makeup, it's about caring for your skin. Proper prep ensures your makeup blends seamlessly and never looks heavy. Healthy skin is beautiful skin. This is the true foundation of a fresh, daily look. Treat your skin kindly. It pays off all day. Now, let's move on to the fun part. With skin prepped, it's time for the base. The goal. Even out your skin tone, not cover it up. Choose a light coverage foundation, tinted moisturizer, or BB cream. Just enough to smooth redness or discoloration. Find a shade that disappears into your skin. Apply a small amount, starting at the center and blending outward, down to your neck. Next, concealer, your magic wand for under eye circles or blemishes. Use it sparingly. A creamy lighter shade for under eyes, a matching shade for spots. Tap gently with your finger for seamless blending. This step brightens and perfects, letting your natural skin shine through. You're not hiding, you're enhancing. Freckles and texture peek through for a real skin look. Light-handed application is the secret to a fresh, modern base. Now, let's bring your cheeks to life. Time for a healthy flush. Blush instantly brightens your face. Think of the natural color after a brisk walk. That's what we want to recreate. Cream blush melts into skin for a dewy glow. Powder gives a soft matte finish. Pinch your cheeks to find your natural flush. Pinks, peaches, and rosy tones work for everyone. Smile, then tap or swirl blush onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. Use a light hand. Build color slowly for a soft, natural look. Blush lifts and defines, balancing your features and tying the look together. Without it, foundation can look flat. A pop of color brings you to life. It's a simple step with a huge impact. Now, let's make your eyes shine. Eyes connect us to the world. Let's define them softly and beautifully. Start by brushing your brows upward. Fill sparse areas with light strokes if needed. For eyeshadow, choose neutral tones. Soft browns, taupes, or muted pinks. Sweep a single shade across your lid for subtle dimension. Cream shadows are quick and easy. Just use your finger. Mascara is the magic touch. 1 or 2 coats on top, lashes open your eyes. Wiggle the wand at the base, sweep to the tips for volume and separation. Skip bottom lashes for a natural look, or add a touch to outer corners. The effect? Bright, defined eyes without heavy makeup. Groomed brows, a wash of color, and mascara create a polished, daytime look. Your eyes become the subtle focal point. Understated elegance, every day. The final touch, lips that look and feel great. For daily wear, choose a sheer lipstick, tinted balm, or gloss, hydrating and easy. Pick a shade close to your natural lip color, just a bit brighter or deeper. Rosy pinks, soft berries, and warm nudes are universally flattering. Apply directly from the tube. For a soft stain, blot with your finger. A little shine makes lips look fuller and youthful. Reapply as needed to keep lips soft and fresh. Lip color balances your whole look and makes your smile pop. Comfort is key. Hydrated lips feel as good as they look. This simple step celebrates your smile and completes your routine. The last step, set your look for the day. Use a setting spray or a light dusting of translucent powder to keep makeup in place. Setting spray melds layers for a real skin finish. Powder controls shine in oily areas. Don't overdo it. Keep your fresh glow. Take a moment to admire your reflection. This routine isn't about changing you, it's about enhancing your natural beauty. Confidence is your best accessory. True beauty is feeling comfortable in your own skin. Makeup is just a tool to help you shine. Start your day with this loving act of self-care. Let your inner light shine. Your spirit is the real magic. You are a work of art. Share your glow with the world.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.